I've been looking at these for, I just dropped it. Hold on. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am doing a quick unboxing and try on of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of June. It is filthy because, well, it's filthy, but we're about to dig into this. It's going to be a lot of fun. I really enjoyed the look that I created with this, and I feel like I'm very Barbie doll today. That's what I feel like. I feel like a Barbie doll. But I will have a timestamp above for when the actual try-on starts if you guys want to see the try-on. If not, let's go ahead and start unboxing these. I will read off the prices, and because I'm lazy and I can't math, I'm going to pop the total above after I'm done reading everything off. So, this month's theme is Block Party. Lots of fun, bright colors. Barbie doll. And they did team up with Tetris for Tetris's 35th anniversary this year to bring a special Ipsy and Tetris palette. And you guys, it's pretty. It's really pretty. Alright, so the first thing in my box this month was Girlactik 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balm Duo in Periwinkle and Twinkle. This is $34 for these two. So apparently, if you love gloss, but you can't handle that sticky feeling, me, then this gives you a sparkle and shine, but in a moisturizing formula with zero stickiness. I went ahead and popped them both on the back of my hand. I lost one. I found it. And you guys can see the colors. Periwinkle is this lavender pink, and then Twinkle is this glittery pink. That's my daughter. So here is these two colors. I know it's a little hard to see, but they are really pretty. I don't like glosses, but I think I might like these. The next is, oh, y'all. 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 The next is Sunday Riley C.E.O. Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. What? $65. You guys, this, I want to put this all over my body, but we're not going to do that because it's very expensive and we're just going to save it for my face. $65. The next thing is this Trestique Matte Color and Shiny Balm. This is valued at $25. I got the color Belize Bordeaux. It is a really beautiful wine color, and it does have an added lip balm to the bottom. Look at this. Boom! And the lip balm was actually very comfortable. That's really nice to have. It was so moisturizing on your lips. The next is, oh, you guys, I've been looking at these for months and months now, and I have always wanted to try one because the one thing in my collection that is missing is a good eyeliner. And I'm not talking about black liners. I'm talking about colored liners. Now, this did come in the color Grease, which is a black. It came with a brush to apply the eyeliner. This is a water-activated eyeliner. This is $26 for this set, y'all. This claims to not smudge, fade, or transfer. And this brush is beautiful, you guys. Do you think this looks matte? I think it looks pretty matte. It went on so beautifully with this brush. Oh my lord, this brush. But I did draw it on the back of my hand when I was trying everything on to see how it would wear. So here it is dried. I'm not rubbing my eyes like that throughout the day. As a matter of fact, it is not flaking or creasing or smudging. My eyes have been watering. It seems to be staying put. I love this. It went on so easily. I'm probably going to be getting all the colors that they have in this. Thank you, Ipsy. Like, I love you. And last but not least, they have an Ipsy and Tetris eyeshadow palette, you guys. This was so pretty. And this is $24. They're actually really cute and fun, and they are gigantic. Look how big these are. They're huge. Okay, obviously we're going in with this blue. So here is the swatches. They are lovely. Look at this blue, you guys. I mean, geez Louise, it's stunning. That blue is worth this entire palette, but also this champagne shimmer. Like, this is a beautiful color. This gold, I mean, I can't say anything bad. I didn't have any difficulties blending. Nothing was patchy. There wasn't a lot of fallout. There was some fallout with this blue. You're so pretty. Here is the box total. And if you guys would like to see the try-on portion, then just keep watching. Let's go ahead and get into these products. I'm not wearing any makeup because I do have a moisturizer. What's going on with my hair? Who knows? So, I did take, oh gosh, you guys, this smells like an orange slushy. Is that a thing, an orange slushy? That's what this smells like. So, ooh, it's thick. It smells just like oranges. All right, so there is that. So I have that on. I am gonna go ahead, since all I have after this is basically for eyes and lips, I'm just gonna put on the rest of my face, and then we are gonna go in with this beautiful palette. I am actually really excited for this palette. This is super gorgeous. So excited. So before I go in with mascara, I'm going to do this Suva Beauty Hydra Liner. I am really excited about this. I've always wanted to try this, and now I can. This is heavy. Alright, so I am just kind of rubbing it all over, getting it wet. This does dry down matte apparently, so we're going to see if it really does. So far I'm impressed. It's still drying, so I want to see if it actually dries down completely matte. And y'all, I don't believe I had to mix it in the lid. I feel like that was an unnecessary step because it pretty much immediately dried down in this little container here. And I am extremely happy with how easily this applied, especially with this beautiful brush. And I felt it was very thick, it was very opaque. It looked gray, but now on my eyes it is black. I'm still waiting for it to dry down here in the corner, and then we can see if it's actually matte. I'm actually also going to apply this to the back of my hand, and I'm going to be applying the rest of my makeup, and I will show you guys how it wears, like with like a rub test, waterproof test, although it's water activated, so I don't think it's waterproof. But I am very impressed. Well, that was the worst swatch in the world. Alright, there we go. Basically, we did an eye. So, after this dries, we can see exactly how it looks, how it's held up. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to apply this lipstick. It's a really pretty wine color. I am going to put this little balm on first. I definitely need it. Look at my lips. Ew, gross. Oh, it looks really cute with the pink and the eyeshadow. Aww. Look, you ready? Oh! Yes! Yes! Oh! I'm done. So for these are really beautiful colors actually. I am gonna put the lighter one in the middle and then the darker one just kind of like right off to the side. So I hope you guys enjoyed this try on. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Can you stop, tablet? That's super rude. So, sorry, I'm just gonna be smelling my face. It smells so good. I am going to put, so this, for Hey guys, welcome. I've been looking at these for, I just dropped it. Hold on. Alright you guys, and here is the box total. I don't know why I went like that. And I will see you guys in my next video. I'll see you in my next video.